hosts, and welcome to our first online training session that we are going to do during this lockdown and quarantine period. So hope you all are at home and you are safe at home. So during this lockdown period, we are going to see to it that we train through sharing of the videos. We are not going to go live, but through video sharing, we'll train and help each other in training. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is warm up. We'll start with jumping jacks, that is 50 jumping jacks. Then we are going to go to karate. In that, we are going to do one step Kyuan. I'll show you how to do that. And then the third thing is we'll do some additional exercises. Okay, so let's start with the warm up first. So first, 50 jumping jacks. So from here, we'll take a step forward and punch. So first we'll go with Chudan-zuki, that is stomach punch. And again in the same manner, you have to go back. So here you have to see to it that you maintain the same stance. You don't have to change the stance, okay? So now, first we did stomach punch, now we are going to go with the face punch, that is called Jodan-zuki. So, on the face, and then back. And the third technique, we are going to start with the blocks. The first we are going to do Age Uke, second we are going to do Soto Uke, third is Uchi Uke, fourth is Gedan Barai. The fifth technique that we are going to do is called Mai Giri, that is a front kick. So I'll do the whole exercise first and then I'll explain you how to do it. First you have to get in the stance, Zenput Sudachi, and from here you have to take, so now I'm taking my left leg forward. So you also take your left hand forward like this, your body should be open and the second hand should be behind. Now, first count you have to move forward and punch in the stomach. Here, like this. And in the same manner, you have to come back again in the stomach. Okay. Now, second count you have to go on the face. And then back. Third count you have to do a block that is called Age Uke or rising block. And then back. Fourth count, you have to defend your stomach, so you have to do Soto Uke. And then back. Fifth count, we'll go with Uchi Uke. It's again a stomach block, at the same time a block for an attack it is coming from outside. Then the sixth count, we'll do Gedan Barai, that is a sweep at the groin level. So this is mainly done to block a incoming kick to your stomach. Gedan Barai and again back. Gedan Barai. And now the seventh count, you have to go for a kick. So if you are going for a kick, you have to come in this position. This is called Kamai. Okay. So come in the Kamai position, go with a kick, kick, land, and again kick with the same leg. Kick and back. Okay. So this is going to be the exercise for the karate. So in this you have to see to it that you don't raise your height while being in the stance. Your posture should be correct. Your back should be proper. You should not be leaning forward while sitting in this stance. Here, your back leg from the knee should be straight. It should not be bent. पूरा आपका back leg सीधा होना चाहिए. Plus जो आपके दोनों feet है वो पूरे ज़मीन पर होना चाहिए. It should not be up. The heel should not come up of the back leg. Okay, so these are the things you have to remember. And the most important thing is this exercise you have to do it very slow. You don't have to go fast at the start. So this, while doing it slow, it will help you to strengthen your lower body. So this is a workout for your lower body, the stance training. At the same time, you are also sharpening your techniques. So if you don't know the techniques, I'll mention the link of the tutorial of these techniques in the group, and so you can check it out and you can practice that. Otherwise, parents can help their kids to train them, and if you are following the video, so see to it that you instruct them accordingly, because they won't understand by listening to this. So this is the exercise that we are going to do. So first you can take the left leg or right leg forward, then change your leg. So this you can do it for 2-3 times for each leg, and then we'll move to the next exercise. So you can take a break for 1 or 2 minutes to relax yourself and just have a sip of water. And after that we'll start with different exercise. Now this is not going to be karate, but other additional exercises. So first we are going to go with 10 push-ups, then we are going to go with 10 squats, then 10 sit-ups, and then we are going to do 20 seconds of plank. So इन चारों exercise के बीच में कोई break नहीं होने वाला. You have to do it continuously. So that is one set. So first we are going to go with 10 push-ups. Okay, let's start. So this is push-up, and if you're not able to do push-up like this, what you can do is you can keep your hands like this. Your legs should be straight, but you can touch your knees down like this. So your main focus should be your chest and your shoulder. Okay, so again 1 and 2. Okay, so immediately after that we are going to go with sit-ups. And after that 20-second plank. So I'll show you. You can count in your mind, or if you have a timer or stopwatch, you can use that. So these are the exercises that you have to do it. So first you have to start with warm up, 50 jumping jacks, then you can go with wrist rotation, hand rotation, hip rotation, then neck exercises. Just see to it that you relax yourself and open up yourself. Then in karate we did one step key on, that is taking your right or left leg forward, then moving forward with a punch. First Judanzuki, then Jodanzuki, that is stomach and face punch. Then third technique was Age Oke, that is a rising block. Fourth technique was Soto Oke, that is a block at the stomach level. Fifth technique was Uchi Uke, that is a block for an attack which is coming from outside. So sixth technique was Gedan Bara, that is a block for a kick that is coming at your stomach, or you can say a sweep at the groin level. And the seventh technique was a Mae Geri, that is a front kick. So this was the karate part. In that you have to see to it that you do it very slow. You should feel that pressure in your legs and the muscles of your legs. So if you do it and if you get that feeling, then it is that you are doing it properly. And then the third exercise that we did was 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 sit-ups, and then 20-second plank. So ये जो अभी हमने जो last वाला part किया, you can do it in repetitions. मतलब आप जितना आप कर सके उतना कर सकते हैं. At the same time जो कराते exercise था वो भी आप repetition में कर सकते हो. Like एक बार left leg हो गया, and दूसरी बार right leg forward, then again left and right, and again left and right. So you can do it for 3 sets, and then the last exercise for 3 sets. So this was today's training. At the same time, before ending your training, see to it that you properly stretch again and relax your muscles and cool down properly, because if you don't do that properly, then again cramps aane ke chances hai. And if you are not doing regular exercise during this lockdown, then it may create a problem. So see to it that you warm up yourself properly, at the same time cool down properly. And abhi garmi ka season bahut hai, so see to it that you hydrate yourself regularly. So that is it for today, and hope you practice properly. And so till then, bye, and meet you in the next live session. Bye.